Hello everyone. So in the last video we were talking about what are the guidelines of Google that you need to follow if you want to practice good or white-hat SEO. But in this video we're going to talk about the things that you should avoid if you want to rank organically better way in a better way and you don't want Google to penalize your website or any other search engine to penalize your website. So let's get into our sites and I will show you every single point that I mentioned over there step by step that you need to follow every single thing. Also, what I will do, I will just share the link of this slide so that all of you can access this slide uh, from wherever you are. So let's get into this. So these are the things that you need to avoid while you are working on SEO of your website or any of your web pages. First thing that you need to avoid is automatically generated content. So few days ago, I was watching a video, and one of the digital marketer, what he was saying that he is generating a ton of money from one of his site, which he has created on automation. So what he is doing, he has created a website and he is generating all the content automatically from some plugin, and he is putting all his affiliate links on that particular website, uh, and he is generating some commissions from those affiliate links, right? But if you want to grow your brand, don't do this. Because see, if not now, someday Google is going to find out that all the content that you are generating is not original, that this content is not yours. And if they will find out by any way, because see what most of this content generation tools will do, they will just scrap the content from somewhere and they will search it. Some tools are there on the online if you just search to uh, write articles instantly. What they will just change some words. The content will be same. They will just change some words with their synonyms and all these things they will do. But if you're continuously changing all this, the same article, if you're continuously changing that article, the content will remain the same, right? So if you are getting any such leads where you're getting all the content for free, the tools that will generate content for you for free, don't use it. If you are trying to generate a brand, let's say if you just want a website to work for 6 months, so in 6 months you have bought one domain, you already have a hosting, you bought one domain and you have built a website over there and you have put some links over there, generated automatically some content, and you want this website to be there for 6 months, then it's completely fine for you. If you are getting a better ROI over there, then it's good for you. But if you want to create a brand, because see, the profits will be there in the long term. So if you will start creating brand now, it will take 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and the more time you will give to nurture this brand, it will give you more ROI in the longer run. So never use automatically generated content. A lot of people, what they are doing, they are using the scrapping tools and they are putting in the spinner, content spinner. So if you search on something like content spinner, you will find a lot of websites. So spinner, content spinner, SEO, content, see, Springbot, article spinner, text rewriter, free article spinner. So these are all online platforms. You can actually put an article over there and you can spin it. And I think I have created one meme also for the same thing. If it is there, I will uh, try to show you. It should be there on my. See, if you're following me on Instagram, you can find a lot of memes that I'm posting over there, a lot of great quotes that I'm posting, and some of the information codes that are there in digital marketing. So you can get all this data for free without investing any money. Just follow me over there. And if you are not on Instagram, if you are a professional, if you're not a student, and if you're a professional, you have maintained your uh, LinkedIn. I will invite you to LinkedIn because this is one of the best platform which I like, and because I get most of my business from LinkedIn. So yeah, I definitely like LinkedIn. But uh, you see, I'm posting a lot of content over here also. You can just check out the content. Uh, See, I posted this for the content spinner. So see, I'm just not posting any memes over there. I'm providing a lot of value for that particular content also. So I have written a great post. You just let me know if this is a great post or not. But I've written a good post. This is around, I think, 500 words post. So 500 words post is there, and this content is there. So original content and content spinner. So with the meme, I am trying to spread the awareness about this content spinner and all those things. Also, a lot of memes are there on my Instagram. Do check it out. So if you're using content spinner and all those things, it's a big no. Don't use it. The second point is participating in link scheming. So what is link schemes? As soon as you are like you are already, if you must be searching for SEO, how to learn SEO and all those things, and if you're watching my videos also, you may start getting a lot of ads regarding getting a lot of links for, let's say, $10. $10 they will provide you 1,000 links, but you will get the links. But the thing is that as soon as you get the links, it will negatively affect your website. As soon as Google will identify this is negatively, you are building all these links by unnatural ways, Google will penalize your website. So participating in link schemes or something like this, that you have created one group. Let's say you have a group of 10,000 people. All the SEOs are there, and then what you guys are doing? One guy is uh, uh, mentioning five people on his blog, and then when he's writing some blog, these five people are also mentioning the same thing. So same thing. So you are doing this trick. You guys are supporting each other over there. So this is also a link scheme. Which, say, if you are doing this moderately in an organic way, you are not mentioning every single post of the guy, your friends post on your blog. So this is fine, right? But if you are mentioning every single post on your blog, then it is not so good, because Google will find out that whichever post this guy is posting, this guy will mention it. So this is a link scheme which people must be using. But if it is in a large number, like 10, 20, 50, 100 people are doing, then obviously Google will ban you guys. The third point is creating pages with little or no original content or copied from somewhere else. So let's say you have created one page and there is no content. Obviously, Google is not going to give you any value for that content. And if the content is copied, again, no value. You have copied the content from somebody else. Obviously, it will never negatively affect your SEO. If you're copying content, if it is not your original content, definitely don't do it. These are things to avoid. You can read over here. Then clocking. So clocking is, you are trying to deceive the search engine. You are telling search engine that this page is regarding something, let's say about digital marketing, but as soon as the person is landing over there, you are selling something else, right? Because for digital marketing, let's say for this particular 20,000 searches are there per month in your country, and if you are ranking over there, you are selling some MLM courses, then again you are deceiving this person. So clocking anything, or like you have optimized all the content over there, but when the person is willing to buy this course, let's say you are the thing is that you are selling some digital marketing courses in all the meta titles, description, keywords, all the pieces in the content you have mentioned, digital marketing course, but when the person is landing, it's MLM course. So this is like clocking or deceiving the person. Hidden text and links. I've already given you this example. If any link or text is there on the white background and white uh, a white text, then you're trying to deceive the search engine by this. So don't do that also. Doorway pages. Page runner to well specific search engine to funnel traffic to your website. So if I'm right, doorway pages are like uh, you are creating multiple sites. Let's say, for example, uh, it's Invincible Lion .wix.com, then Invincible Lion .wordpress.com, then Invincible Lion .yolosite.com, or a lot of directories will be there. Web 2.0 directories will be there. Sites will be there. So after creating similar sites over there for digital marketing agency and building a lot of links over there, then you are and generating some traffic. What you are doing, you are linking all the site to your main site. So these are, I think, those pages. If I'm right, I will just check. I will just confirm this. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, on different pages, the content is not very good, and over there, you have given an anchor text to your main website. So this can be on different websites also. This can, I think, in your same website also. Over here, they must have given some example. See, the same thing I was telling on uh, on this website they have created one page. On this website they have created one page, and they must be linking all these pages to their main website. So these are doorway pages. These what this will show to Google that all this doorway pages they are talking about digital marketing, and you are combining all these pages and putting all the links, giving the anchor text to your main website, and giving these the authority of these pages to your main website. So you are creating an illusion for the search engine that your main website is uh, highly authoritative. So don't do that. It's going to ban your website. It's going to uh, ruin all your work that you are doing for your SEO. So if you're doing SEO, do it authentically. Doorway pages, thin content, that means the content is very less. You are not even writing anything. You are just putting all the advertisements over there. So no thin content, write deep, uh, well engaged, and well defined content. Pages showing mostly ads, affiliate links. So if the person is leading on your page and on the affiliate links and uh, this ads are there, then obviously you are not going to rank in SEO. Obviously, see, if you are running ads and if you want to capture leads and if you are trying to build uh, this landing pages to capture any leads for lead generation, then you can use all these landing pages and without any content or with less content. But these pages will not rank in SEO. These pages are good for lead generation when you are running ads. But to rank in SEO, your content should be well formulated, deep, and engaging. So yeah, this is what about this. Now we will go to next slide, and I think the next slide is also about the same thing. Yeah. Abusive link tactics that aim to inflate the number and the nature of the inbound links as link buying. Again, we have talked about this. Don't buy links from any place. You will find, see, a lot of freelancer platforms are there, like freelancer.com.in, then fiverr.com, then Upwork, I guess. So all these places, a lot of sellers will be selling a lot of backlinks in cheap prices, like $5 or $10. But don't do that because this is going to negatively affect your SEO. Because building links, it's a time consuming work, right? It takes a lot of time to contact people to actually make your links by yourself, visiting different sites, Web 2.0, or social sharing all these links. But this will reap off all the benefits if you're doing it organically. Don't see if you can outsource it to a good freelancer if you have good connections, but don't outsource it to a person you don't know because you may not know what they will do to the website. And if they are making, let's say, 10,000 links that are irrelevant to you, you have to again pay or do it yourself to remove all these links, right? If these links are not right. So don't ever do that. Ensure clean, concise, keyword inclusive URL. So let's visit to some of my digital marketing consultant. So this is one link. If I will visit this link, see, this is my domain name, https invinciblelion.net, and then digital marketing consultant. Always use hyphen. These are hyphens. No percentage marks. So see if you will leave blank while making this, so it will show percentage. If you will leave this blank by making a URL, this will show percentage in your final outcome. Always use hyphens. And this sidebar when you are going to next directory. So digital marketing consultant, Bangalore. So this is how you can actually make the architecture of your website. But here we were talking about keyword inclusion. Yeah. So this page is all about, see the title. You can see digital marketing consultant in Bangalore. Okay. And then my branding, Invincible Lion. In the URL also, digital marketing consultant. Then slash Bangalore. So why I have stopped over here? See, you can without slash you can use one more hyphen over here, and you can conclude this. This is marketing consultant in Bangalore. It is not required, but still you can use it. So this is marketing consultant in Bangalore. But why I am using one slash over here after this marketing consultant? So this is my main page, digital marketing consultant. And now what I have planned, like I will try to rank for pages on major cities in India. So I will start from Bangalore. Then, if I'm finding some value with this, I can try to rank in other cities also. Let's say from Mumbai, Delhi, or all other major cities. So you can use this architecture which I am using for building all my this paths, URL paths. You can use the same. So the keyword is there, digital marketing consultant Bangalore. It should be there in your URL. Dynamic parameters can dirty up your URL and cause duplicate content issues. See, uh, you must have seen a lot of on a lot of websites. You will find like after this after this domain name something like question mark equals to ID or equal to something 90, something like this. Don't use this because see all this URL they will not help you or they will not be call friendly, user friendly, and you're not putting any keyword over here. So don't use all this URL. The URLs which I have shown, these are the best type of URLs that you can use by making your URLs. I will show you this over here. W. Settings, permanent. So this is the dashboard of my WordPress, and see, this will give you a lot of options how you are going to make your URLs. So this is plain. So Invincible Lion, then post ID 123. So whichever post you are publishing, it will show like this: question mark post ID 123, or daytime, day and name. So this will be the day. So 2020, the month, the day, and the post name. And this is month name and post name. This is numeric. So archives 123, whatever it is, and then only post name. What structure I am using for myself is a custom made, and that is category. After category, I am using post name. So this is how I can categorize all the work I am doing on a website. So if I'm writing something about startups, as you have seen that I'm writing a lot of blog posts about startups, so I will categorize them in startup field. If I'm writing some blogs about digital marketing for SEO, I can separate them according to the niche. So this is what I am preferring. So this is dynamically taking it. So whatever category and the post name, and you can mention all the category and post name and while making your pages and all those things. So this is what you can do to make your URLs user friendly, SEO friendly. Your URL should be descriptive. It should actually tell what is there in the content. So whatever is there in your title, the same thing will be there in your URLs also. So over here, digital marketing consultant, Bangalore. Again, if I'm just writing digital marketing consultant, but I am trying to rank that for Bangalore, obviously in the 200 factor which I have shown you in the backlink blog, one factor will be less now, right? So the competition, the competitive edge of mine will be less, 1 pointer less. So you can keep this in mind when doing SEO for your blogs. It should be short. It shouldn't be so long that it's stretching till here, like this. You must have seen a lot of blogs like this in this, not blogs, the URLs of Amazon and all this. These are not user friendly, but these are this e-commerce website, so you cannot do anything with them because like millions of pages will be there on Amazon, right? So you cannot do anything with Amazon. But on your blog, your website, because you cannot compete with Amazon. The domain authority of Amazon will be 98 or 99, 95, I don't know. But if you're starting a blog, you won't be able to do it. So you need to consider every single aspect of SEO if you're trying to compete with Amazon also. For any niche, you cannot compete with Amazon in all niches, but if you're trying to set only one niche, you can compete with Amazon also. So it should be short. Short means descriptive, whatever is required. Let me give you an example. So digital marketing consultant in Bangalore, if you're just using this, so you can remove in because it is unnecessary. So this is how you can keep it short. The keyword will be there, keyword rich, it should be keyword rich, so keyword should be there when possible, and avoid non-letter characters. So avoid whatever uh, is not a letter. So over here, see, hyphens you need to use when you are separating two different words. But let's say don't put mm, this sign, percentage sign, and all the things. For this, I can give you an example for that also in my $100 startup book, that blog I have shown you. So over there, I have not used the dollar sign, I guess. I don't know what I have used over there, but the dollar sign is not there. See, I'm using the word here, not the sign. Over here, I'm using the dollar sign, but in the URL, I'm using dollar, the word, not the sign. So keep this in mind also. Burying links in JavaScript, Flash, or Silverlight. Keep content out of these as well. So see, we are not using Silverlight nowadays. Flash is completely out because these are outdated technologies. Nobody is using them. But I have mentioned because earlier, before 2010 and 12, people were using it. Now most of the people are using JavaScript. So nowadays also Google is claiming that they can read JavaScript, but still, because see, I have shown you one of my client earlier, Showcase India. Over there also a lot of code is there in JavaScript, and we are facing a lot of problems because of it. So don't bury any of your links or content in between JavaScript code. It should be in HTML only. And you need to keep this in mind, right? So keep this in mind, that is very important. No duplicate content, no keyword stuffing. For keyword stuffing, I have already told you what wordcounter.net is the tool I'm using for checking what is the density of my keyword. For two words, it shouldn't be more than 5%. Keep it 5%. You can go to 6 if you want. No clocking, we have already discussed clocking. That whatever content that is presented on the website, it should be whatever you are showing to the search engines, and the same content should be there for the user. For this, I have given you the example also that let's say Google will not be able to read your images. So what you can do to clock things, you can write content about the things you are optimizing your web page for. So let's say you are talking about the digital marketing, but on the images, you have mentioned click here to buy our MLM course, right? So this is talking. You are the action is different over there, but you are talking about something else in the text. So yeah, these are the main things which you should not do while you are doing SEO for your website. Keep this in mind. This will help you a lot in your SEO journey. And I think we will conclude this over here because from next slide onwards, we are going to start the local SEO part. What is local SEO? We are going to discuss about that. So I will conclude this over here. Just let me know if you have any confusion regarding these two slides we have concluded over here. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, you can post in our group. So I have already made the group, and around I think because I have not started marketing this, still I am recording these videos, but the group is there. I will post the link of this group also. Around 964 people are there in the group, and they will increase now, right? So we can make a very good uh, discussion sessions over there. We can learn from each other, and definitely this will help you guys to make your professional journey more engaging, more interesting, and a community will be there which will help you in all the tough times, in all the tricks and getting battles also. So yeah, join the community, comment down under this video because this will help me to reach more people. This will help a lot of people to discover the content they need. So for this video, I'm just signing off. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.